This is Toyota Camry 2010. I'm going to make the all key lost using Key Tool Max. So this is the key which is now not starting because as you can see here the security light is on. All key is lost. So and the chip is ID4D 67. You can just read the chip and check. It's 4D 67. Let's see, do the all keys lost. Go to Emo. Go to Toyota. Select the type. Emo system. 4D 67, 68, 4D 72 G. Let me go to this. Try. So 4D here and 4D 72 and G. This is 4D 67. You can make it. Reset Emo box. All key lost. Switch ignition on. As you see now, security light is on here. So reset is success. In 120 seconds, please remove the key and insert the first key you want to program. Switch ignition on and press OK.
تخيل هذا المكان في الإمارات ومش في المالديف. أجمل وأحلى الفنادق الموجودة واللي أجواءها بتحسسك إنك مسافر.
Reset is success. Okay. Remove the key and put the key. Don't on the ignition and press OK. Then remove the key. Put the first key you want to program it. Okay. Don't on the ignition. Press OK. Confirm. That's it. Okay. Now put the key and turn ignition on 5 times. First time. 5. Press OK. Program complete. That's it. Now it is started. So this is Toyota Camry 2010 model ID4D 67. All key lost using VVDI Key Tool Max.